Well, this is just some threads on my Perplexity account, and they kind of look normal except for this particular thread. So if you look closely, there is a label that says temporary thread, and apparently this thread will be removed in the next 14 or perhaps 30 days. So the question is, why do you see some threads with this label on your Perplexity account? And the bigger question is perhaps, is there any way to convert the temporary thread to a permanent one? Well, the answer is yes, you can do that. So in case you didn't know, this this temporary thread was actually created via the Comet browser, especially via its agentic session. So if you're using the browser to perform some tasks, it will create a temporary thread, and I think it makes a lot of sense because after all, you are giving the AI to not only control but also see content from the web pages, and there could be some personal or sensitive information that could be captured by AI, whether it is accidentally or intentionally. So it is about privacy, and it is logical that the thread must be treated temporarily. But then again, not every thread has to be treated this way, and sometimes you might want to keep some threads to be a bit longer or more permanent. So to convert your temporary thread to a permanent one, there are two simple ways that you can do. So on the list of the thread, you can click this three-dot icon, and then you can click remove expiration, or you can just open the thread, and then you can click this three-dot icon again, and then click remove expiration. So after that, you can perhaps refresh the page, and you will see that it is not going to be a temporary thread anymore. It is going to be just a regular thread, and it will stay permanently on your account, so you can revisit the content later. So that's basically how you can remove the expiration on your temporary threads on Perplexity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.